Hi, it's Bizless. So to create that kind of reversed envelope, just create a regular amp envelope with a little bit longer release so you can hear the effect happening. Then create a second envelope, but do it like that. So fast attack, decay doesn't really matter, sustain 100%, and then longer release. And now in the matrix, go to any parameter and just go on minus. Adjust some of the parameters so you can hear it. And then when you hold the key, it's gonna hold the parameter or the modification, and then when you release it, it's gonna open the filter, for example, or do anything else. Like let's do it with a fold here. Let's go on minus, and then you see how it happens. Ideally, you want to be in a mono mode, but it works in a poly mode as well. Let's do something with detune by 12 semitones. That's crazy, but working. Now let's try with the drifts. Let's do the same. Get the frequency working properly, and then short attack, decay. Actually, I was thinking maybe a bit shorter just in case, but it doesn't really matter. Sustain and release 2 seconds or whatever you like, and create the same similar stuff. Release in the amp envelope. And then we also have the modification matrix here, and then just assign envelope 2 to anything. I made a mistake here. It's meant to be low pass frequency, and I wasn't sure why isn't it working. Yeah, let's change it to low pass frequency. Now. Yeah, that's how it should work. You can choose something else to play with the envelope too. Just basically go on minus, and that will do your trick. Alright, cheers.